Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can migrate your website using WP migration. So there are several type of issues that occur while importing your file on the website. So like sometimes the import is stuck and sometimes the max upload size is very less and you are not able to upload your file. So in this video I will address all type of issues so you will never face any type of issue during migrating your website. So here I have created some other videos on WordPress migration as well, so you can watch these videos if you want. But in this current video I will address all type of issues because I see a lot of people face trouble while doing their WordPress migration. So here is the domain where we will work currently. So first of all you will have to go to add new plugins, and here you can type WP migration. So this is the plugin that you normally use. So there are some issues with this plugin that is available in WordPress repository. So I do not recommend to use this one. Instead, I will use a better version. So you can go to this article. I will provide the link of the article in the description. So this article is actually for another video that I created, but the plugin I have recommended in this article is the best and it will fix all type of issues. So you will have to click on to this link, and here you will see this plugin on GitHub. So someone has created this plugin and it will increase the maximum upload size and it has some more features as well. So it is better to use this one. So you can just download the zip file of this plugin. So I have already downloaded this plugin. So I will go back to the website and we will have to upload this plugin. So I have uploaded the plugin. Now we can install it. Activate plugin. So you can go to import, and here you can see the maximum upload size is increased to 32 GB. So now here you can upload your file, and if you face any issue uploading, then you can also go to your web hosting and you can upload your file there. So I will show you that process as well. So I am using Bluehost, so I will go to that, and I personally recommend Bluehost. So if you want to buy your web hosting, you can go to Bluehost and you can buy the web hosting. I have provided the link of that in the description as well. So if you will use my link, then I will receive a little bit of commission at no extra cost to you. So here I have opened the file manager and I will go to public HTML. And here under WP content, I will see AI1WM backups and I can upload my file over here as well. So I will just click on upload and here I can upload the file. So once you have uploaded your file, it will appear in the backups. So you will see the file over here and you can easily restore it just like you restore a backup. And the second process is that we can go to import and we can upload the file from here. So we can use this method in this video. Now the file will be imported. The import is completed and now we will click on proceed. So you will see that when you will use this plugin from GitHub, then you will not face import stuck problem. And you can obviously upload the file from file manager if you want. And so you can see your data has been imported successfully. We have received the message and now we can close it. And now let's refresh. So here you can see we will have to enter the login. So now we will have to enter the login of the file that we uploaded. So here you can see we have logged in successfully now and we can visit the website. So here you can see the website is now live and we can move to the pages. And if you face any issue while moving to other pages, then you can go to settings, permalink, and here you can change the settings to post name. So it's already post name in my case, so you can just try to change it and then you can click on save and the error of the links will be fixed as well. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel for more related videos.